Did you know that you can earn approximately 2 lakh rupees per month from your home? Yes, you heard it right. You can start cloth bag manufacturing business from your home, that too with very low investment. Now imagine, you have started your business with small investment and you make your own cloth bags and you have established your own brand. But in order to achieve all of this, you need real and practical knowledge. Unfortunately, 15-minute random videos on social media cannot tell you enough. Therefore, Freedom app, Bharat's #1 livelihood platform, brings to you a detailed practical course on cloth bag manufacturing, where you will learn how to start this business from home with low investment. In this course, you will be guided towards success by an industry expert, Ms. Tanya Saad, who is doing this business successfully from last many years. After watching this course, if you have any doubts, you can also connect with our expert mentor via video call and get all your queries resolved. So what are you waiting for? Learn the secrets of success in cloth bag manufacturing business and also explore more than 1200 life-changing opportunities only on Freedom app, which is trusted by over 1 crore users. Don't wait. Download Freedom app now.